It's a new year! Time to reset, renew, and take control of your fitness goals. And there are a few apps that can help. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and I have the best apps to help you stick to your diet plan. The Calorie Counter and Diet Tracker by Calorie Count app is a helpful tool. You can log your calories by voice, scanning barcodes, or by entering items. Then track your activities and compare how many calories you're consuming and how many you're burning. It's hard to go out to eat when you're dieting, but the Healthy Out app can help. You can order meals for delivery, takeout, or check out healthy suggestions when you plan to dine out. It's simple. Just select low calorie, low carb, paleo, whatever you're looking for, and the app will make healthy suggestions based on your selections. There are tons of restaurants for you to choose based on your location, and you can check out nutrition facts to make healthier decisions. Track your fitness with the MapMyFitness app. With GPS tracking, you can get a glimpse of your exercise pace, the calories you've burned, and see your route. So soak up a little inspiration this new year with a few of these apps, and conquer your health goals with a little tech. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.